Hola, my name is Susana Lopez and today we're going to be doing one of my very favorite arts and crafts. So today we'll be doing these beautiful handmade flowers and it's really easy. And you can use it for many decorations at home. You will be so famous and everybody will want you to do the decorations. For that, we need a headband, scissors, stapler, double-sided tape, lots of crepette paper, all crazy colors. We need some wire and we need a glue gun.
I'm going to be using yellow and this beautiful orange. I fold and then I fold. Mark the needle. You take a little piece of wire. And so you tie your wire behind the color that you want to be on the bottom. So I want the yellow to pop out, and so I tie it behind the yellow, like that. I just cut the corners. And so I'm shaping the petals of my flower. Like that. Cut the corner. Like this. So what you do now is you take these two petals inside, give it a pinch in the back, pull a little bit. I'm giving it shape, not all of them, only some of them. Okay, roll it. Pull it together and release. Take a little piece of paper, make a ball, nice and tight. Take the paper and shape.
And you shape it until you have a nice tight ball and you hide everything behind. Here's where we're going to put the little drop of hot glue. If you cannot do it, you're afraid to getting burned, you can ask your parents or someone else to help you. Okay, so we can put a little drop in here of the super glue. One little drop goes a long way. There you go. And then you hold it there for a while. Alternatively, you can use glue as well. You take some white glue, put a little bit on the middle, and then hold it. It will take a little bit longer, and then eventually it will dry. This is the result. Beautiful flower. Okay, so after you have a few of the flowers that you want, you can start putting them on your hairband. That's why we have the twist in here, the wire. See, all these flowers, you want them to be facing forward. So what you do is you twist it around and then you cut whatever extra wire you have. And you start building your flowers. You twist, and then you hide it underneath. If there's a lot of extra wire, you can just cut it.
Is it pretty? Okay. So now we're going to do something green on the side. For that, we can cut some long strips. You take a pencil and you fold it in half. You twist your paper on the side. Side, just twist and make it nice and tight. And release. So it's a little bit. The other one you want to do it in another direction. Twist and release. Now this type you want to do some thick, some thin. So make a few.
And then you start overlapping them with the thin ones right in the middle. It will be a little bit like leaves, like grass. And then you take your wire. Drop in the middle. Just a little tiny drop. And this here. I take friends, you can make it for your mom. You know, try different things. This is a really fun activity to do with friends. I hope you enjoy making it with me.